Next, we'll go ahead and take a look at the settings page. You can find this either by clicking on your logo in the top right or by clicking on My Account. Once you're here, you'll be able to see information that you'll be able to edit, your profile, your email address, your password. We're going to go ahead and take a look at social media. That's the most important one right now. This right here is where you create, edit content of your title as well as your description. So if you wanted to set this to be something else by default, you can go ahead and do that here. And then that way, every time you log in or go to the Go Live page, this is what will be shown. Here is where it's requesting the YouTube API key. For right now, this is where you would pull it from YouTube's stream service and paste it there. Here you'll also be able to input the more YouTube settings, as well as other social media settings. Tokens on the left here allows you to go ahead and create and edit tokens. And we'll go ahead and take a look at that next.